Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Annie Portia, working as assistant professor in Arunachala College of Engineering for Women in Computer Science Department. The topic I am going to present is C tokens from the subject EC 8393 Fundamentals of Data Structures in C. C tokens are the basic building blocks which constructs the entire C program. So each and every small individual units in a C program are known as C tokens. They are categorized into 6. They are keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbols, and operators. Keywords. Keywords are the predefined words or the reserved words, and they convey some special meaning to the C compiler. Keywords cannot be used as variable names since they are built-in words. So there are totally 32 keywords available. These are the 32 keywords available in the C language. Some of the keywords are for, if, do, care, int, etc. Identifiers. Identifiers are names which identifies the variable names, arrays, functions, structures, unions and labels. For example, int money, where int is the data type, money is the identifier. Double account balance, where double is the data type, account balance is the identifier. So there are certain rules for naming identifiers. They are, it can be a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, digits and underscores. The identifier should start with a letter or an underscore. No other special character is allowed or white spaces are allowed. You cannot use keywords as identifiers, and the identifiers range up to 31 characters long. The next is constants. Constant retain its value throughout the program. That is, its value is fixed and the value is not changed during the execution of the program. So these fixed values are called as literals. The C constants are categorized into two. They are primary constants and secondary constants. Under primary constants we have array, pointer, structure, union, enum. Secondary constants, integer constant which consists of integer values, real constant which consists of floating point values, character constant, it can be a single character or a group of character, that is string. The syntax for declaring a constant is data type constant name equal to value. Example, const int var equal to 5, where const is the keyword, int is the data type, var is the name of the constant, and 5 is assigned to the constant var. Next is strings. Strings are the sequence of characters and it is enclosed within double quotes and it is automatically terminated with a special character, that is null character. Declaring a string is same as declaring a one-dimensional array. Syntax for declaring a string: character, string name of size. For example, character str of geeks, where G is stored in the position, G is in the position 0, E is in the index 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 indicates the index, and the address indicates the memory address where the geeks string is stored. The next is special symbols. Special symbols convey some special meaning and they perform some specific function. For example, brackets, the open and closing brackets are used as array element reference. They indicate subscripts of an array. Braces, the open and closing braces indicates the block of code. Comma, it is a separator which separates initialization, condition and increment. Semicolon, which is used to indicate the statement get terminated. Parenthesis, parenthesis is used to indicate function call or the parameters or the arguments. Asterisk, it is a special symbol which is used to create a pointer variable. Assignment operator, it assigns some value to a variable or an array. Preprocessor director, it is a special symbol which is attached with the header files. The last one is operators. So operators is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform a certain mathematical or logical manipulation, and C language support rich of operators. They are the built-in operators, predefined one, and the operators are classified into 3 based on the number of operands it uses. They are unary operators. Unary operators are increment and decrement operators, that is pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement, post-decrement. Binary operators mean it operates on 2 operands, and they are arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Logical operators like logical and, logical or, logical negation. Next, relational operators like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, etc. Bitwise operators like bitwise and, left shift, right shift, etc. Assignment operators like assign, simple assignment, assign sum, assign difference, etc. And ternary operators means it operates on 3 operands. That's why it is named as ternary or conditional operator. So that's all about C tokens. And in the next session, we'll see deeply about constants and variables. Thank you.